Hello, I am Luis Rivas Torres. I am here to tell you a little bit about my family. I live with my mother, my daughter, and three brothers. My brother is 12 years old. I 2 years, about 4 years old. My mother is Luz María Rivas Torres. She is a black enterprising woman with a daydream. I see the education. She is short with black curly hair and the dry broad eyes. I had had I had had very nice memories with my mother because of the way she is and because of how she is with my she support my love my aunt as well great for me. My brother is Santiago Preciado Rivas. He is 12 years old. He is currently in the 8th grade. He is short with light brown eyes. He is about his face are lime color. In his free time they play soccer and athletics. The relation we have is a little complicated because we fight a lot and he is a difficult child today will. Previously Previously, I remember that the lower for a brother, and with he was born until he was 5 years old. We were very close within the fight. Everything was lovely on the grade up and the because a very responsible child. She takes your call, no say a thing to hit. My two My two 4-year-old sisters are twins. One is called Maria Celeste, the other Maria Victoria. Although they are very different because one is leather and bigger that the other courtly they are no attending an education institute because they are in the governing program which don't allow they to be and to attentive. They are here with curly hair. They are very intelligent. They instruction love. They are very trustly about a love team. They are a different consistency. They have black eyes. They ears is their cutting. One is bigger. They are more reserved than the, the person. And other one because a one at the different a guy taking different. The most significant experience for me was the day of their birth because I was anxious for her arrival and the waiting to meet her. She is the little light of me else. She is always be my seat at the way I next string to head again I looked into her heart. My name is Liz Rivas Torres. I am 22 years old. I am a student of University UNAD. I am currently in my 60th semester of a degree on the foreign language with Spanish and English. I am a black woman with long black hair. My eyes are black. I am of sleep broad. I like to drink elegant. I am